All right, guys. So I do have quite a few trades coming up for next week. It is basis on break and retest, and even one trade is ready to go. So let's get started. So basically on AUD right here, we already have the break and the retest on the 4-hour, 2-hour, and 1-hour support level. So last week on Friday, we did have a clearly break. We do have a retest right here, but then it did stop. So we need to wait for the London session to kick in order to short. Because what I believe is that during the Asia session, that it may come up close to this now turn into the resistance level, maybe a little bit further up. We have a liquidity grab, and then during the London session, it may push further down. So get ready for the London session. And then we do have the Nzdcad. So for the Nzdcad, we need to wait for a solid break and retest. The reason why is on the daily time frame, it is just chopping around, so it's ranging. Yes, it did try to break, but it failed. And right here, it tried to break and failed. Right over here, it tried to break and failed, tried to break and failed. And the black line that you guys see right here is the psychological level, okay? So we need to wait for another break and then a retest. So definitely we need to wait for a retest in order to buy, okay? So on a 4-hour time frame, it does look solid. The reason why is if we look on the 1-hour support level, actually the 4-hour support level is also aligned to the 1-hour support level, and I believe for the 2-hour support level as well. So you do see here support, resistance, and resistance. It's a pretty strong level of the 4-hour time frame. And then we do have the 2-hour time frame, and we do have a strong support level too. Support, resistance, and so on. And the 1-hour is the same thing. So whenever you guys have 2, 3, 4 time frames aligned with the support or resistance level, it indicates that it really has a strong support level or resistance to hold up the levels, right? So I really hope it's going to break, retest, and then buy. So we may need to wait until Tuesday, okay? But keep this in mind. All right, so the next pair, it's going to be Audcad. So Audcad is going to be another break and retest trade. And we have to wait until it breaks through the 4-hour, 2-hour, and the 1-hour time frame. So break, retest, and then get a quick short sell, okay? And the trend is, and the weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, and the 4-hour time frame is unfortunately bullish. But if we look at over here, so in this area right here, in this area right here, if we can manage to come down to break and to the retest on the 4-hour, 2-hour, and 1-hour support into resistance level, then we can short. Okay, so that is a good trade too, but we need to wait. So patience is key. And last but not least, we have the pair of NZDJPY. So for the NZDJPY, let's go back to the daily. It's another break and retest trade. So we do have, I did analyze literally on Saturday. Okay. Saturday. So the weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, and 4 hour is bullish as well. So this is a little bit chopping around in the daily time frame. And if we look at the 4 hour time frame, it's the same thing. It's chopping, so it's ranging. So once we do have our break, retest, and then we can buy. Okay. So I'm really looking forward to trading these pairs because it does look promising, but we need to wait and we need to have patience. So definitely, this is a strong resistance level. So then 4 hour has a strong resistance level too, and the 2 hour as well. So let me check this out very quickly. So I know that the 4 hour, the 2 hour, and definitely the 1 hour also had a strong level of resistance level that these time frames are aligned together. Okay. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will see a coming update about these pairs. So let's see and hope we can make some money. All right. I will see you guys. Bye-bye.